Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Alicia and this is Heart in Hand Creations and Events. Today's DIY will be the boho style rope basket. And here you see we are getting started with hot glue and 100% cotton rope, 100 feet long. We start off by putting glue on the tip of the rope, and we will turn it inward so that way we can begin to create a spiral disc. And this is what our disc looks like. So at this point right here, I will continue to make this disc to the size that I require to make my basket. And right here, guys, as you see, I've already started building up the sides of my basket. And I would like to take this moment to welcome all of my new subscribers. Thank you guys so much for tapping that subscribe button, and I hope that you tap the notification bell for new uploads. Thank you so much. And for my current viewers and new viewers, thank you guys for stopping by and checking me out. I must say that this was a bit tedious, but it was also very therapeutic. Okay, once I have gotten to a certain height, this is where I decided to use juke rope. And right here, I'm trying to see how many rows or layers I can get around the circumference of this basket. And I can get 4. So, as you see, I've already installed the juke rope. And I'm going to continue to build up the sides of my basket as I create a handle on both sides. As you see here. And right where my thumb is on the right side, I will be applying glue to create that handle for the basket. I'll be doing the same thing for the other side. And guys, I didn't do any measuring. I do a lot of eyeballing. So to create my second loop, I just tried to line it up with the other side of the basket. And looked like it was about right to me. So this is where I glued my loop for my handle in place. And guys, I continued this pattern to make 3 layers in order for me to have a nice thick handle. Once that was done, I cut my rope and I glued that piece or that hangover in place. And there we have it. It is so cute. It's very nice. Hey guys, this is how much was left of the rope out of 100 feet. I couldn't even tell you how much I used, but this is what I have left. And this is what I've come up with. What do you guys think? Leave a comment below. Let me know. Right here I've decided to create a couple of tassels to hang on the handles of my basket. So I'm going to use juke rope, and this cardboard here is about the size that I need for the length of the tassels that I desire. And the rest of this part here will be self-explanatory, so I'm going to let the visual do the talking. And here is the result, guys. Right here, I decided to create another accessory to go with this basket. And it is a beaded chain, which I think turned out very nice. It's the perfect accessory for this basket. And here is the final result. What do you guys think? I think it turned out great. And if you think so too, leave me a comment below and let me know. Also guys, again, as I said earlier, if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and you will get notifications each time I upload a new video. Also guys, hit that thumbs up for a like. And don't forget to share, guys. And I will see you in the next DIY video. Bye-bye.